Hello, Crazy Cat here. I've just given my gerbils lumps of sawdust that haven't been broken yet, and I want to see what they do with them. The lady in the pet shop that we got the sawdust from, she said to let them break it up themselves, but their sawdust was too crumbly and it broke before they got a chance. So we've got some more thicker sawdust, and I just put a few lumps in there to see if they can cut through that, so maybe they will. Pip is still not as tame as Kate. Stop it. But she does. Kate is really calm. She lets you hold her and she doesn't run around. And she eats off your hand. And if you put your hand here in the cage, she actually climbs onto your hand, and sometimes she goes up your arm and onto your shoulder without you telling her to, which is really cool. But I'll try and get a video of that if I can. She's broken up that lump, but it's still that one. If you see, it's here. The lump bit. Okay. I'll just see if she comes up. Oh, this is really cute. Right, look. It's because you squeeze the water bottle, so then there's bits on the wall, isn't it? It's the cutest thing ever. Some more water. There's some more water. Ferocious Kate. Oh, good girl. You gonna do that one? There she goes again. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.